everyone. So welcome to the competitive exam series. Let me remind you quickly that I have cracked many competitive exams like ibps, SBI, POS, so clerical and many more. So that is why I'm here with this special series, and I'm going to cover like aptitude and reasoning related topics in this. So let's get started very quickly, and in this particular video we are going to cover some tricks and tips related to the numbers. When some huge calculations are given, that time these are going to be very useful for you. You don't have to solve the long calculations completely as such. You just have to use little bit of tricks, and there you go. So let's get started. Unit digit. See, in the exam they might not ask you directly for unit digit, but then when there are huge calculations, you apply this unit digit trick, and that is going to cut your maximum options, or you will be left with just one answer, one option, which is the answer. So yes, use this trick. It is very quick. Let's get started. So these are the three examples which we are going to see in this video, for which we are going to find out just the unit digit. Yes, so as we have already seen one more video for this, in which I told you that there are some fixed patterns for every number. When you are going to do specifically raised to of that number, like 7 for example, 7 raised to 1, 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 3 and so on, 7 raised to n. So there is going to be some fixed pattern, and this is applicable not just for 7 but for every number. So yes, the same trick we are going to use to calculate or to solve the huge numbers. So the first one, yes, so whatever number is given here, you are not bothered about it. You just have to see this last number, unit place number. What is that? 7, right? So that means you need to find out the pattern of 7 here. So what's the pattern of 7? Let's see, 7 raised to 1 is 7, right? 7 raised to 2 is how much? 7 into 7. So that comes as 49, which means that 9 is the unit place. See, 7 raised to 1, the unit place is 7. 7 raised to 2, unit place is 9. Now 7 raised to 3, unit place is how much? This into 7, right? Don't do it complete calculation, just this unit place into 7. What's that? 63. So you are not bothered about this number, whatever is there, just 63. That is going to be the unit number. Then 7 raised to 4. This is going to be what? This complete number into 7. So that comes as 7 3s are 21, which gives you 1 in the unit place and whatever number before that. So if you see this, I'll tell you one more time, the 7 raised to 5. Let's do this one more equation. So that comes as what? This number into 7. So that is going to be what? 7 ones are 7, right? The unit digit is 7, whatever number is there, correct? Number and then ending with 7. So if you see, that pattern is repeating now. 7 is already here, that is coming again. So again the next time it is going to be 9, then 3, then 1. So what's the pattern you are getting here? 7, 9, 3, 1. Correct? 7, 9, 3, 1. This is the pattern you are getting. Again, if you take 7 raised to 5, it is going to be 7. 7 raised to 6, it is going to be 9. These are the unit digits we are talking about. Now let's solve this. Raised to is how much? 173. So what you are going to do? 173 divided by how many numbers are there in the pattern? 4. So if we do this division, we are interested in remainder basically. 4 4s are 16, then 4 3s are 12, which gives you remainder as 1. You getting my point? This is the 1 which is remainder, which means that which is the first number in this pattern, that is going to be the unit digit of this. Whatever number comes, it is going to be very huge number. You can see that already it is 4-digit number, and then it is raised to 173 times, right? So this is going to be like very huge number, and ending with 7. Ending with 7. You got my point, what I am doing here? So there might be the possibility in the options which are given to you, 4 options, you have to just search for a number which is ending with 7 basically. That is going to be your correct answer. You don't have to solve this, you don't have to invest your 3 hours or whatever time just doing this, right? So it comes in within minute. I am right now explaining, that is why it is taking more time probably, but then once you start doing this like this, so this is going to be the matter of 30 seconds, 40 seconds, right? Yes, so basically it's all about patterns. So yeah, so now let's get quickly to the second example. So this one is given to you. Now again, see, the concept is same. Find out the pattern. 7 pattern, we will have to see the pattern of 7 here, 6 here and 3 here. So 7 pattern we already know, right? We just figured it out. 7 9 3 1, that's the pattern of 7. Now what's the pattern of 6? Let's see quickly. 6 raised to 1 is 6. 6 raised to 2 is what? 6 into 6. So how much that comes? 36, right? So 36 meaning that again 6, right? Then again if you multiply 6 raised to 3, again if you multiply it by 6, again 6, 6, 6. So you're getting my point. So 6 raised to anything, it's going to end with 6. Yes, so this pattern is very simple. Just one number in this pattern, that is 6. What's the pattern of 7? We just found it out. 7, 9, 3 and 1. Correct? Yes. Now we have to find out the pattern of 3. Let's do that quickly. 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 raised to 2 is 3 into 3, right? So it is going to be 9 for now, right? So the unit place is 9. Now do the 3 raised to 3. What it comes into 3? So it is going to be 27. So you are interested in this 7. 3 raised to 4 means multiply this by 3. So forget about this number. Just 7 into 3 is how much? 1, 21, right? Once the 1 comes, no? So you just stop doing this again, because after that again you're going one more time. If you multiply by that number, it is going to repeat the pattern, but obvious. That's the reason you'll stop here now. I showed you that case here. Yes. So now what's the pattern you got is 3, 9, 7, 1. Let's write it down. 3, 9, 7, 1. Yes, there are 4 numbers in this pattern, 4 numbers in this pattern also, and this is quite easy. So let's do this now. So this 71 divided by what? 4 you are going to do in this, correct? 71 divided by 4 gives you what? 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. Is 3, correct? Remainder is 3. So as remainder is 3, what is going to be unit digit of this? The third number from the pattern, which is this 3. Yes, you got that number? Yes. For second one, it's quite easy. The last digit, unit digit is going to be 6. Yes. Now let's figure out for this. 65, right? Raised to 65 divided by what? 4, because there are 4 numbers. And what's the logic for this? I've already explained in very much detail in my previous videos. Please check those. Yeah. So 65 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 1. Yes, remainder is 1. So now, which is the first number in this pattern? So that first number is this. Yes. So you got the unit digits of all the 3 terms. Simply multiply, put whatever sign is there. So it is multiplication right now. So 3 into 6 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 6s are 54. Correct? What's the unit digit? That is 4. So the unit digit of this complete calculation is going to be 4. So you just have to figure out such option which is ending with 4, and trust me, this trick helps a lot. Figure out which options are not suitable, and sometimes you are just left with one option which is the correct answer. Okay, let's quickly move on to the third question. Again 7 and 3, right? So you already know the pattern of 7 also and 3 also. We just found out, right? Now let me tell you, whatever number it is just, you'll say like it's so simple, right? It is such a simple number. So basically what you can do, you can add like, let it be any random number, 257 minus, say for example 143. Yeah, still the answer and the process is going to be same. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, now you know the pattern of 7. What's that? We already figured it out 2 times. 7, 9, 3 and 1. What's the pattern of 3, right? You just need to check the unit digit. What's the pattern of 3? 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. Now you need to look at these raised to power numbers. So 95 divided by how much you're going to do here? 4. Because there are 4 numbers in this pattern. What it gives you? 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So what's the remainder? 3. Correct? 3 is the remainder. So as 3 is the remainder, which is the third number in this? Is this. So that is going to be the unit place, unit digit for this first half. Yes. Now let's see for this number 58. Now 58 divided by how much you are going to do? Again 4. Because there are 4 numbers in this pattern also. What it gives you? 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16, which gives you remainder as 2. So what is the second number in this pattern? So this. Now if it gives you 0 as remainder, then that is going to be your fourth number or last number. Yeah. Say it is like raised to 4, and what you are doing then? 4 divided by 4. For example, if it is raised to 4, then it gives you 4 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4, which gives you remainder as 0. So if remainder is 0, in that case you are going to take the last number from the pattern. Correct? Yes. So this is not the case as of now. You got 3 here and you got 9 here right now. Correct? So what are they asking? So this number is what? Some big number ending with 3, and then this is what? Again some big number ending with what? 9, correct? And then subtraction of these two numbers. Subtraction of these two numbers. So unit digit borrow will be 13. So 13 minus 9 basically you are going to do. That will give you 4. And then whatever calculations here, you are not bothered about those. So again the answer is going to be some number ending with 4. So you just have to figure out the option which is ending with 4 for such calculations. That helps you. Yeah. Okay. So it helps you in the speedy calculations. If yes, please share my channel link with others who are preparing for competitive exams. And let me tell you, there are many more question, answer and tricks and tips coming in the upcoming videos. Like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and if you find it useful. Thank you very much. Bye.